Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about yoga for weight loss at home, specifically for women. Yoga can help you achieve your weight loss goals in a safe and healthy way. With regular practice, yoga can help you strengthen your body, increase your flexibility, and reduce stress. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, and your arms at your sides. Inhale and raise your arms above your head. Exhale and bend forward at the waist, touching your toes or as close as you can. Inhale and come up slowly, and exhale as you bring your arms back to your sides. Yoga poses. Warrior pose, begin in a standing position with your feet wide apart. Turn your right foot out and bend your right knee, so it's directly over your ankle. Raise your arms up and hold for 30 seconds. Repeat on the left side. Chair pose, begin by standing with your feet hip width apart. Inhale and raise your arms above your head. Exhale and bend your knees, as if you were sitting on a chair. Hold for 30 seconds. Downward facing dog, begin on your hands and knees. Spread your fingers wide and tuck your toes under. Exhale and lift your hips up and back, straightening your arms and legs. Hold for 30 seconds. Cobra pose, lie on your stomach with your hands on the ground beside your shoulders. Inhale and lift your head and chest off the ground, using your back muscles. Hold for 30 seconds. Bridge pose, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet on the ground. Inhale and lift your hips up, squeezing your glutes. Hold for 30 seconds. After completing the yoga poses, it's important to cool down. Sit with your legs crossed, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing for 1 to 2 minutes. This will help you relax and reduce stress. Thank you for joining us today. With regular practice of these yoga poses, you can achieve your weight loss goals in a safe and healthy way. Remember to always listen to your body and never push yourself too far. See you in the next video.